Happy Earth Day, fam. Let's take a walk on up to the top of the hill. See a few trees on the way up. It's one of my peach trees. I just got a couple of more of them on there. On there. We passed two more. But let's walk up the hill. This was my first casualty from the deer. That's my old LSU Gold. And it's right here, my little Miss Figgy. I got a Celeste, a Cadota. Let's look at this peach here. This peach here. Need to do some more thinning, but all right, we ain't gonna stop no more. It's right here. It's a greenish chia. One of my guavas that didn't make it. We got pineapple guavas. But all right, we just gonna enjoy nature. Take a quick walk up top of the hill. Enjoying nature. Well, all right, fam. Your boy a little winded, but all right. This is Nature 9 and the family. Happy Earth Day, everyone. And we signing out.